That is the only blessing in the world. Having flag in Kwana board, you know, we see democracy free no. Nikrom na mi chachiro no. My feature here. There's no party flag. Me who I president bi kura so da poster so da. Me who be that. You be who any flowers. Na hwe fom baby anipa nante defa. Sa mere wu tietia mfutrum. Sa mere mfutrum na wu tietia wo gimi. Wo no kwa kokonto kwa ama. Yeah, mama si anya nsan wa fom wo. Ye se member mammo ho atomo. Ti se mo amse Jonas di atem no. Onya atem ni no. Mo kan che Ghana mpanifo so mo nsesa. Omo sesa no mo yekuro ni ya me ba mi nya hwenka. Ye na me beka. Amu gimi sa ade a masa. Da bia nipa mewu ti se nkokoma. No me betra na me say o na mo yem panifo na sebi nka panifo mo ye say man ya sebi o magimi nya fe na be sebi bia we nyina no mo betwitwa gu bible no mo ya be kire bibini heavy flag na bobo no the form ba bia nipa da sani nam na we ahu ni sa no na fofo ba no makobie rubber na nkonwa na sisi mu no akobie no akotenam no abaji aduane nam ya akotena ho na store bia wa ha bia glass nko a there's no thief nti store ye no ano pem na bebo sisi a glass nko a de wa ha bia enua ana omri aye there's no gutter, there's no teeth, there's no nti come de wa baji aduane di eno ana wa ha etwa kire o heavy we num na ayo mbetwitwa gugu ma yesi o daache mko heavy amne mabusi amfo betena se adidi ne ade ne atwitwa de abekire mu ne the flowers ne ya sisi wo nipa na ye mu judge am betimi aye bia mana bro so si asema akwa
abusuafo mema mo nyina akwa aba eba free my family na mesanso eda mo ase bebre se abreni abrebia no mo ba ha eba betie nokre abusuafo Osofo Prince or the Ensembi Atudwa concerning the issues between Honorable Kennedy Ejapon and ye nuaba actress Tracy Boache. Na Osofo Prince say onone dia no on friend of prophecy name revelation is Reverend Osubempa Adaroma say the word prophecy no yawa ba ho. The word prophecy no enumguasie ache no it is say no Osofo na shall say dwane every the word prophecy to revelation the word prophecy na busuya enumguasie ache no until nobody want to use it anymore. Reverend Osubempa Adaroma enumguasie ache the word prophecy no. Osofo Prince say the revelation awanya no ekire say ensema ekoso between Honorable Kennedy Ejapon and Tracy Boache no empanimfo bi na ene Tracy Boache ahyehye ho say Tracy Boache enkoso eni honorable atem eni natem to the point is say ebia honorable cannot handle it anymore na what threaten Tracy Boache and say we issue threat to Tracy Boache say ne be ya ombetimi agina sa threat no so na omode abrenase and say omode akire Honorable Kennedy Ejapon se sebi oloko je ebusia yenkona yenkonko tie Osofo Prince ne revelation na nanka ye prophecy by say prophecy no anima gu asenti wadwane aba revelation tie yenko ni enti the revelation no na seria asojua machire madwe yenti Osofo Prince
Ejapon kwami akompre kwa Japan Honorable Kennedy Ejapon kwa na uboni dia now ma meti se obo Kennedy Ejapon dia now ma me nya heart attack because one day me so da for Honorable Kennedy Ejapon na me frame me ma me na say hey menka one so da e bia because obi esro but the rather se men kanche Honorable Kennedy Ejapon say TMPP for na mo mu no nko kanche no the rather se men kanche so onso na koma mu no fa na koma nto ho no for ice water engu na koma so onsa Honorable Kennedy Ejapon mo mark it from today before obenya 80 years na di nyame pese ode ne ye magana no ode na ye dia oye na nya no na nyame so o meyo nyame wo bibi nti ode Kennedy Ejapon bai but the rather semen kanche Honorable Kennedy Ejapon say onso na koma mu abayo na odidi Kennedy atem na oto na wafa na oto na wamane na oto na wamane number 1 abayo na nyane class ne papa no but Honorable enso na koma mu denti na make sa erade kasa kire me say abaywa no mpanimfo etitiru bi na ni abaywa na tenase ani ama abaywa na adwuma agenda attack Kennedy Japan shoot no arrows attack him shoot canon dinatemo ebe canon akana kuma a oda onda sa wo yesa Kennedy di enim no obeba betna TV so obe attack o back Kennedy gusu attack wa Kennedy be threaten o or eno an ye person Kennedy threaten o Kennedy threaten wa yenim baby adi asem ne befa ba no kura wo mu ne se enkrofo no se Kennedy bufu na se honorable Kennedy Japan or contracting Tracy say be endi 1 week Tracy Boache no enkrofo be fe kira koye ne bone na de ahye Kennedy Japan omo line up all omo nyoma ni na down already eti ye bon person rade so Kennedy Japan akoma mu rade so Kennedy Japan akoma mu because you see so ye mistake no man akoma hano and in some making this week echo ya ombe maga na se asori bi o then sorry say Kim obe sorry attack Kennedy Japan gidi na anu be thing e ma Kennedy threaten no na omo de back can sem bi ho aka say Kennedy na bo pam ye kokun girl obi be fa kire nkrofo na omo aboga ne paase won didi papa na tem no omo be fa kire akoye girl no bone e me de ahye Kennedy Japan eti ye bom pa se Awurade so Kennedy akoma prophecy wo masum kra me pese meti prophecy wo masum kra tim pese me use the word revelation
Ghana D4 no Ghana software no ebusia say you can body arrangement say munim body arrangement na say ahohehye say ka say obi ahohehye na say obi a ode ne ho for nipa by force so ho ase by force o pese o kasa ho ase by force o pese o be na damfo na so ye anima be just to get your attention san kwofo ne ka say o mo ye ahohehye body arrangement na say you are arranging your body ebusia some prince ne prophecy way okay understood also on per prophecy to the yamfa ne revelation no mano also for prince ne revelation we no a body arrangement revelation on say no be so yes smart say utie ne kasemu ya o sha ase no na say o praise honorable indirectly say honorable Ghana ha o kan ne ho obi asuro no ene saa say o person man fans kakra so ho it would mean say revelation we no wa sheda na o pese o use e de gain papa no attention na say o de gain papa no ni favor bi say ne be ya bi say o chia na say o koboni ya say ne say Reverend Osubempa wenya favor before honorable Kennedy Japan wa on kana sem no o kan bishop obi ni masem o kan asofo obi no masem nto enso Reverend Osubempa nko ade on pese obekana sem ti em say osofo prince pese honorable Kennedy Japan o de no kan Reverend Osubempa mu group no ho group a say o mu wo your friend say ase omo under the favor and ase omo ye cover the bia omo de young come ase opese ode ne kasa group no to me say revelation we no revelation bia opese ode gain the attention and the favor of the man machino into we there was on prophecy a me the revelation na ma sa revelation na me dia ma okrampo no so for masa agema de metwem machew say ya na opese oye na woni bibi ensema ode atodwai enye revelation nyame bia yehwe nkire no eye ono ankasa na wa penny baby ate na wa making calculations and readings we me say sa nyuma we uyo bia timi sa nyuma we uyo bia we smarter obetimi aweke no enya no correct ama wa nhwe a obi be kasa uyo d4 na so bia se ni America no na eye working bi na working enye bibia na eyi akyerew wati masiye and sensema ekoso between Tracy Boache and honorable Kennedy Japan no obi a we smart bia betimi apebe bia te am making some logical calculations bi am out say o de bata asem no ho a ebefa and I say ebeche. Though any revelation, but name sem no nyansa wom, because there's a possibility say a bia empanimfo bi na ta Tracy achi say ya Tracy eni natem say na be ya e bia say honorable book kofu na say wetimi an control ne temper na or threaten the life of Tracy Buachi as an kofo na be fe kire na omo akwakodi Tracy bone say na be ya obetimi agina so they aha honorable and no is possible. Well, there's a possibility. But do shema between Tracy Buachi and honorable the no crowd. I say abribian ya na honorable and na etako fa asem no ba. I say ono na ya or tackle Tracy Buachi first. And sana Tracy Buachi ababe reply. So Inti no do ni aka no a possibility. E bit me so abase e bia enye sa netie. But me pese honorable Kennedy e Japan otie eye osofo prince na semi a o kan e wo asopem. Enye revelation now so say honorable otie na semi na se ode adwuma e betimi aboa no e wo ekwan bebre so. Because na yenim say honorable you be a Ghana ha he's got a lot of enemies because of ninyuma oye. Because of asofo bi munuma otake wo mo ene sebi oyobia he speaks the painful truth oyobia as a oye loud mouth kakra intino someone like him no will have a lot of enemies obenya amanfo bebra it will be their prayer and wish say anka the nimbe guase say nebe ya ombetimi ashate ne up in Ghana inti honorable mesre seti so for prince asemi ya wake enye revelation e ono ane nsem na so tie because nyansa wom utie no asopema ebeboa wo nanka Tracy Buachi honorable Kennedy on your size. Tracy Buachi akwada. Tracy Buachi is young enough to be your daughter. Tracy Buachi akwada ena ewiase no matter what ye na ye nipa de me a wo hwe me menye so special than wo a me a mete he menye so special than wo a wo hwe me what you say ye na no ye nipa nanso ye hwe ye society ma we have classes. That is why we say it's a monkeys play by sizes. Yeni na ye nipa now so your society mono we have classes of people say bi mi amete here enya me level ene honorable Kennedy Japan there be baby an experience edru abrabom baby a wanyi edru eni baby a ni influence edru ni sika owo me ni ho half me ni ho quartampo not to talk of half sabi enya me level eni President Donald Trump enya me level eni John Mahama sanso na enya me level eni Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. We have levels in society. And the honorable Tracy Buachi is not your level. And the Tracy Buachi you will be Krampo Asenka or Bekan Wasem Krampo. You don't need to issue reply to Tracy Buachi. Honorable, with all due respect, one share obeya ma Tracy Buachi's people like Tracy Buachi no ebe drag your name into disrepute. Wow. Ebe gu animo ase poto cha say ebe say wudin ebe tarnish image. One share obeya ma respecter amanfo ewo ma no sa respect no esobeti. Intimate stress set you suffer prince now keep off this girl. You have a lot of things you are doing aside your work as a parliamentarian, your businesses and all other things. Concentrate on those things and forget about this Tracy Buachi girl. Wow, quite be brave so. Wow, quite be so sorry. You understand my point? Only shame out. Well, maybe when they say more or less, you know, oye penny, what you say, oye penny until the se base akwadampo na ebedidi watema wo asepeni no ebia ubetimi afa a much better way to address the issue anka ebia Tracy bedi watem kura wo ankasa wo reply to Tracy no or say eye reply bi asebi anka nyansa wo mana say eye nimdie reply say na be ya say Tracy mpo na bia ne nkwada nioma ewo nimu no ema no behave that way at the moment I obeti reply no bo say chale do am CD papa ya tempa nanka me expect say papa be so nanka akwakwa ya asem nanka me trende nanka Ghana ha me din kwachire no papa yi nyansa sema waka kire me menua e wo say me jai for but as we di watem na so ba na say wo so be di na tem na akwakwa say sabi asenia minunu jai na so ye na so nunu jai me mpesa na baba ya ase agro between me no mienu but ununu mi na say me mwa jai nya ye na say me mwa wa you stop. And I yewo asemi ye kaze sebi so oni aboa okraman edi agora na otafre wano sebi mpredu asa so oni aboa okraman edi agora na otafre wano intimate say honorable Tracy Buachi has her own level. Tracy Buachi has got her own class of people obetimi ne omo amengo. You are not one of them. your level is far above that of Tracy Boache. Don't stoop so low to be replying Tracy Boache na team the any sa nneɛma no. What you say? And I won't so message say e to me bi I won't send bi o why aka honorable message say one kata to hufo. Oh, and send me bi o why na asefem. O wutimi di Tracy atema masabi ibi kura butimi kan ye nuano ma ne ade na enye fe. Or we a penny, we a member of parliament with all the respect, and we try from honorable. So, an honorable person, and I say, yeah, say the moment I be accord those title of an honorable, no, you should behave like an honorable person. An honorable person does not insult anyhow. An honorable person know how to behave and speak in public. So, now, Mrs. Tracy Boache, so one so no, yeah, and you be beer and also dimrika gidi best also. You know some point. Papa, you would hear funny say within our Ghanaian culture, would hear funny say, or your penny chen, do mean car say penny to me your mistake and as a penny to me you're wrong, there be. But dear papa say, at least your father, so papa, ekasa, no matter how bad your father will speak against you, I don't think you come out to insult your father in that manner. Intifa, Sadia no now there, Okasa also me muano because Ghana for be brain nim they were honorable city. Inti men me say, Asimbia honorable be canfa hobia and a Ghana for be jedi. There be. The two baby I want so just forget about your trances and concentrate on your movie work and your acting career. Oh, now I mean peace will prevail. And your first Ghana media mo na bribia na penny bit is honorable Kennedy Japan. Now ne o bat is Tracy Boache na mo press na hey na we reply we na we can't no honorable and fatal kura egu animo as intimate say to hofo na anka tie Osavo Prince has said me na katwe ho free sa anima ne ho enye revelation there but nyansa wo mi ntimi nso matimi me nso mafaso de sebi imprediasa efuto kakra amaw to honorable say wuti efuto ya ankame ni bejipa na nka concentrate on exposing asofo no na reverend osu bempa so eya exposing no bi why so be say for ye wadwuma no ema Ghana for nyina hu say you are doing the work in the interest of Ghanaians there, then don't leave anybody out. Reverend Osubempa expose him. He is one of the fake prophets and fake pastors in Ghana. Intimen Kasa de 20 years will be nim kwaso, 20 years we kwaso. Reverend Osubempa is part of it. Expose him. For politics not to China for the fact they say or ye NPP no to China and expose that man. That man is evil. Ye can number one evil person in Ghana, ye Reverend Osubempa. Expose that man. Per his all Francis no crambo utina se outmu say papa ni trimu sum. Expose him. For Ghanaians to know say papa we on free nyame bia na sa ne nkomhye ne whatever o ye ni na no predictions aye nyina obi abetimi aye eno bi na my bet foi ene soccer bet ne lot of way di national lottery authority foi ye ni ade there's nothing new we enye nkomhye bia to honorable mestre say wadwuma no ye no bi ye ni je ho but oh ye without favoritism ka many beje ho more why Nafa party stem no to nchen and favoritism stem no to nchen na o fire o man na o fire o muina o expose o man na o expose o muina enyi otwe enyi adoa it's as simple as that ebusua me do asese wahwe me do asese watie me. My name is George Freemind and you're part of the Freemind family, and see you in my next video. Have a nice time, have a lovely day, peace, bless up, bye.